Welcome to Dano Does Things, a place to learn something new or get some inspiration for your next project. This week, I am working on a needle-felted Shamrock Lucky Charm, great for keeping on a keychain as an alternative to a rabbit's foot, or to just keep in your pocket if you need a little extra luck. While you can freehand this shape, I found that using a heart-shaped cookie cutter as a template works really well. In addition to the cookie cutter, you'll need your standard felting supplies: a felting mat or foam block, green wool roving, and a felting needle. A tiny pair of scissors and straight pins aren't completely necessary, but they will make your life a little easier. And as always, use a thimble to protect your fingers or just be very, very careful. For the Shamrock, I blended two greens together to give them a mottled look. Simply take both of the colors in your hands and pull them apart, then twist them back together multiple times to blend them. Put your wool into your cookie cutter and begin felting by stabbing up and down repeatedly. The key to getting a really tight felt is, for the most part, just patience. You need to jab the needle into the wool roving many times to get it all felted. You can also rub the roving in between your fingers to get some of the stray wisps of wool to latch onto the felted surface. I have another secret to getting rid of those wisps, which I'll go over in a bit. You may also want to change your surface up to get a tighter felt. I love the felting brush for the most part, but it grabs at the fibers if you don't have anything between it and your project. The foam blocks don't catch the wool as much, but I generally just don't like the feeling of them and the disposability of them. They wear out so fast and I feel bad getting rid of them. I'm looking into making a felting mat of some kind, but if you have a favorite felting surface, I would love to hear about it. Now my secret to getting rid of wisps: a pair of tiny scissors. There's no shame in giving your project a little trim when you're done. Sometimes a single thread of wool just won't catch onto the needle, so trimming them off will give your project a tight and smooth look. Make the leaf 3 more times and arrange them in a circle with the points inward with 2 underneath and 2 on top. Use the straight pins to keep them in place while you work on gently felting the edges of each leaf together. Once they are connected enough to keep them together, remove the pins and gently flip so you can work on the seams on the back. You can see I'm working on the edge of the foam because the middle is already too compressed to work on. Once together, make a small ball with the same color of wool roving and place it on the center to add some connection and definition to the middle. Add more if necessary. And there you go, your own good luck charm. Because as I say, if you don't have your own luck, homemade is fine. Thanks for watching.